Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I me no care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights.
Tarrus Riley and Dean Fraser rolling out their annual Christmas free show at Emancipation Park in Kingston. Jem Myers, Marcia Griffiths, Tanya Stevens, Etana, Leroy Sibbles, Dwayne Stevenson and choir among the performers delivering before a very appreciative audience. Nothing lost on this crowd.
This is really a good, nice family vibe, and we really love it, you know. We'll just make sure so that the people of Jamaica, or the people of Kingston in general and St. Andrew, get back them little music vibe where them always have pan of December, you know. And so Tarrus Riley, Dean Fraser, and the whole music fraternity, so to speak, really put out them effort, and we just have this, and this is great.
What sort of year was it for you, Tarrus?
What sort of year was it for me? It was an up year for me. We give thanks. It's all about being here, you know. And there's always more things to be thankful for. So I am a person that look at the brighter side of life, so I really can't complain too much. We give thanks that we survive and see you next year.
What are some of the highs and lows for you?
Well, for 22, well, you know, well, I lost my mom, and, you know, that's a real low for me. But then, you know, we have to pick up ourselves and keep treading. Everything is getting back into place, you know. Everything was scattered, so now we're putting back the pieces together. So.
No lows, man. We're not doing lows. I just lessons and learning and strength. And we are go through. We just want to get back in the movement and sing people, recording nice music. We're doing that. Put out some good music. We're not a rush. It's a very fast time, you know. Instagram. So I take my time and go and live more.
What's your take on it? You know, this whole fully done thing with the younger artists.
Well, I don't know. It might be just a gimmick as far as I'm concerned, but I really want artists to take them things seriously and know that this is a serious business, very serious business, and we should really not gimmicks it out and all of that. This is what we're about, you know, and we come here to play music, play good music, and with like 100 years from now, you're able, you know, people say, you know, there was a musician named Dean Fraser, or there was a Tarrus Riley, or a Dwayne Stevenson, you know. We just want to make good music, music that, you know, will last.
Red, gold and green. We're the one of them, you know you're so sweet. Red, gold and green. Red, gold and green.
What's your take on this fully dance thing? Just some harmless words in a song or a bad message?
I don't know anything about fully dance. And I know that dance people don't make music. Creative people make music. I'm not interested in like every conversation. Some conversations are not mine. I'm fully bright. Yeah, and I like a lot of the music that I hear today. And some of it I don't really understand it. But make it take it time and do it for them. I'm interested to take up every little. I know me that. Yeah, that's why I do this thing. Let live music live.
That's Tarrus Riley, Dean Fraser and friends.
Push up your voice, wave your hands with me. Here's to the ones that we got. Here's to the wish we were here, but tonight, but the drinks bring back all the memories of every. So sing along.